Hello everyone. Today's lesson is on vocabulary unit 12. We have as usual 12 words. Let's start with number 1. The first word we have is abuse. Abuse as a noun, like in the first example, the abuse of power is a danger in any government. Or it can be a verb, like if you abuse your privileges, they may be taken away. The word abuse as a noun, say it abuse. Or as a verb, we say it abuse. The meaning for it, for the noun, it's wrong treatment, the misuse of something. Like in the first example, the misuse of power. Or as a verb, it means to put to bad use. To misuse as a verb, or misusing something as a noun. Synonyms: misuse as a verb, to harm. Antonyms for noun, care, and for the verb, cherish. Next word we have is appliance. For example, blenders and the can openers are kitchen appliances. So look at the pictures here and think of the meaning of the word appliance. These things are appliance. So yes, appliance is a machine or tool used to do a household job. Synonym for it, a device or gadget. A device, a tool, a machine. Next, the word confirm. Confirm means, or as a verb we can use it like in this example, we have a reservation for you for tomorrow night. Please call to confirm. Like you received a call from a hotel telling you that there is a reservation under your name and for tomorrow night. So if this is true, please call to confirm. So confirm means to agree or prove that something is true. Synonym would be to verify. Verify. Antonym, deny. So confirm, to agree or prove that something is true. Next word we have is daze. Daze. For example, some predators daze their prey with a blow to the head. Or, when I heard that I had won the prize, I walked around in a daze. The word daze can come as a verb, like in the first example, or as a noun, like in the second example. When I use it as a verb, it means to confuse or to stun. When I use it as a noun, it means the state of confusion, to be confused. Synonym would be trance for the noun or to shock for the verb. Next word we have is flimsy. I don't think my teacher believed my flimsy excuse for not doing my homework. I didn't do my homework. I went to the teacher. I gave him an excuse, but the teacher didn't believe what I said because what I said to him is flimsy. The excuse I gave is flimsy. So flimsy would mean not strong, poorly made. So flimsy means not strong, poorly made. Synonym for it, weak or shabby. Antonym, sturdy, sound. Next word we have is gauge. Gauge, as in this picture here, a rain gauge measures the rainfall. This tool, they use it to measure the rainfall. It's called rain gauge. Or I can use the word gauge as a verb, like the cat seemed to gauge the distance before jumping into the windowsill. Look at this picture here of the cat trying to measure or gauge. So gauge means to measure as a verb, or an instrument used to measure. Synonyms would be scale or judge. Next word we have is migrant. Migrant is a noun. Let's have a look at this example. We passed a field full of migrants picking berries. Migrants are people who travel from a place to another. We can give the meaning here for this word as a noun, an animal or person that moves to a different region as the seasons change. We can call them travelers. So the synonym for migrant is traveler. Next word we have is neutral. Neutral, as in this example, he remained neutral while his brothers argued. His brothers were fighting or were arguing, and then he decided to become neutral, not to take any side. So neutral means not taking any side. It's an adjective. Synonym for it, uninvolved. Antonym would be involved. Neutral. The word pitiless. Pitiless is in this example, a pitiless enemy would not show mercy. Pitiless is an adjective that means showing no regret, no mercy, no sorrow for another's suffering. The word pitiless, synonym for it, merciless, no mercy, merciless. Heartless. Antonym would be kind-hearted. Presentable. My parents insisted that I wear presentable clothing. Presentable means fit to be seen. So my parents will not let me get out without wearing presentable clothing. Presentable means proper, fit. Antonym would be shabby. Next word we have is rotate. Rotate, as in this example, the planets rotate around the sun. So rotate means to turn around a central point. To circle, the synonym. The word shred. Shred, as in this example, the wallpaper is in shreds. Shred here is used as a noun. Or in the second example, shred the cabbage and add it to the salad. Shred as a noun means a tiny piece, or as a verb means to cut into small pieces. So shred means a tiny piece, or as a verb it means to cut into small pieces. Shred. Synonym for the shred as a noun, a scrap.